Anong sinasabi mo? Pinaghirapan mo ako?
Hmm.
Ha? Bakit? Paano mo nasabi pinaghirapan mo ako?
Hirapan kita.
Na ano? Pinaghirapan buksan? Ha?
Basta sa lahat.
So, ito guys, as you can see, kararating lang ng aking Shopee. Kararating lang guys ng aking Shopee. About siya sa fake nails guys. Kasi, on my previous year, bumili ako ng fake nails dati, but then, hindi siya ganun katibay. Kasi nga, very cheap lang naman siya. So, right now, I bought another one, but different brand. It's also from China, I guess so. Yeah, it's from China. It's a Costco brand. And as you can see, I also bought 2 glues for the fake nails. And yung pinili kong design ng fake nails ko, guys, is coffin. This one. And then, each glue costs 58 pesos. And this one is 60 pesos only. The nail cutter, of course. And this one is only 20 pesos. But I didn't bought it from Shopee. I just bought it from the mall. Yeah, that's right. And there's a freebie. Nakakatuwa dito guys. Meron siyang freebie. Kahit ang mura lang naman ng bili ko. Although, mas mahal siya sa ibang, compared dun sa previous na binili ko. But then, affordable pa rin naman. At saka, yung quality niya guys maganda. Kung mapapansin nyo, nagkabit ako ng isa. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang tibay niya. Pwede mo siyang pangkamot. Ganyan, no. Yan. Pwede rin, guys, matanggal ang kalyo. Pag makapal yung kalyo mo sa mukha, walang yaka na, ganyan. Pwede siya, guys. So, very, very, what do you call that? Multi-purpose. Yan. So, very nice. Kailangan natin to guys. Kasi, kailangan natin maka-harvat. Kailangan nating magpaganda para tayo ay maka-harvat ng AFAM. Yan. Ito guys, siyang freebies na yun yan. So, very nice. Very affordable. For me, it's a 5-star because they met my expectations. And I think their price is good for their quality. So, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!